Tired of client projects turning into chaotic messes with missed deadlines and miscommunication? Well, not anymore. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Basecamp to create crystal clear project outlines, turning those potential nightmares into smooth line collaborations. First, create a new project in Basecamp specifically for your client. Think of this as their dedicated hub, a virtual workspace just for them. Within that project, the KevinHowTo section is your best friend. Break down the project into manageable tasks. Be super specific. Instead of just design website, try design homepage mockup with 3 revisions. Assign each task to a team member and set a clear deadline. Communication is key, and that's where the Campfire comes in. This is your project's dedicated chat room. Encourage your team and your client to use it for quick questions, updates, and brainstorming. Keep those email threads to a minimum. Now, let's talk about docs and files. Use this space to upload all relevant documents, design files, contracts, everything your client needs. Organize them into folders for easy access. No more hunting through endless email attachments. The schedule feature is perfect for mapping out milestones, deadlines, and important meetings. Sharing the schedule keeps everyone on the same page, ensuring timely project delivery. And finally, remember to regularly update the project's progress. Mark tasks as complete, provide feedback, and keep the Campfire buzzing with updates. This transparency builds trust and keeps your client informed and engaged. That's it. Start using Basecamp to support your client projects for seamless collaboration and impressive results.